My people, I don't ponder upon this and that Jesus matter. Because every day, in fact, just how many hours where this girl just pass out now, everybody don't they bring different stories. This one saying that from ancestors, that one saying that from everybody just get something to talk about. Now I don't think I don't do my own searching and researching. If una ask me, because Buhari, I will say something past 100%. Over 100% of this whole wahala, and that Jesus wahala, now from Buhari head. Yes, so una no go believe. I know wetin they talk because see, many people now they blame Odumeje and Rita saying that them do this one. And I understand you now. Seriously, I know. See, I know the point where they come from because Odumeje himself, he don't lose his head finish. So I understand on a point. Rita, Odumeje, this one, fine. Because this man on you, he don't they pretend since. Say the sickness na from him, na him cause am because he swear for her, he do this one. He say even if use him mouth to say na him dey behind this sickness. The waiting, they call her sister Jesus, Madam Rita. That one bring you on. Say even this woman even open mouth. I don't even know whether to call her swear. I be waiting. He open mouth tell that Jesus say if he get up from that sickness, meaning say no be she. No be made I beg. I bring her for now. We don't forget because I want refreshing in our minds. You understand? So I beg make una join me. Make we watch the video.
If you get up from this sickness, then you man up from you may say, God may teach. In case of the if you get up from this sickness, a man up from you may say, you have to get those people. You must get those people that I told you to bring and you brought them. When you bring them, you get up. That's all. But if you don't bring them, you will go from there.
When I see these two people, and they talk about Rita and Odumeje, police supposed to investigate and question two of them. No, since una want say like that, make they start because no check out everything. Self even they consider that girl because I'm not just understand that girl. They even tell me say they said 12 years old, but I don't know whether I reach. They say she don't dey sick since. They say no be today this sickness starts. So I no can understand Odumeje and this one. I beg and see my people. Why are they talk say Buhari they behind this whole? In fact, now the whole creator of this whole matter. Now because of the poor state of Nigerian medical infrastructure. Now why they tell us say Buhari dey pa? Because no, we check and calculate am very well. Hospitals we no even get. Okay, even the ones where we don't manage get safe. Instead of make they get 4 tires, some of them now 1 tire. We never even feel push out. We don't know where they go. You know, many people they die of this kidney thing. No be. You know, start from that Jesus. You know how many people don't die. All in the name of no medical this thing. They no get facilities. They no get machines. They no get Nigeria no get anything. Check abroad. Some people say they live years upon years, but they get the same wahala. Years upon years. Check them. They get waiting they sustain them. They get waiting to put. They get waiting to use. Our own, our case is always different. I don't know whether they don't swear for us finish. The one will even shock me. Hey, God. Minister. Almighty Minister of Health even come outside. This one happened recently. Come outside, come they tell us say if no before this coronavirus way pass now. He say for even up to now for still they believe saying we are okay. Nigeria has a medical infrastructure. He say that this corona come make her realize say we dey lack. In fact, make her not even just they put pepper and salt inside because make we watch the video.
I tell you for sure, I never knew that our entire healthcare infrastructure was in the state in which it is until I was appointed to do this work.
So after he discover, when I hear that from your mouth, after this man discover this thing, I be the testing they go start the work. You understand? You know, say if you notice a mistake this somewhere, you go start the work to amend, to correct the thing. So you just come outside, can't tell us. Then you fold your hand back as usual. Instead of make they better the hospital. See, Nigeria fit become better place. The problem wey we get na these people. Now why they tell una say they are behind? Not just Buhari, all of them just be say Buhari na the head of the whole matter. We can be a better place. These people na them they responsible for why everybody. You know how many people don't die. Yes, the only thing wey Nigeria get paracetamol. Any sickness wey you get, paracetamol na they go give you. With even drugs, may we just leave machines. Let's say machines too dey expensive. Drugs, we dey lack drugs. I know. Seriously, this matter I don't even know whether they. I not just understand. No people are just come back when he go do checkup, come back. No, they don't care. It is as simple as ABCD. They don't care because they don't say they don't get any business with Nigerian doctors. No, wait till you don't see. Tell me the day where you go hospital, where you see minister of so or governor of so say they treat them for Nigeria. They don't get any business with Nigerian hospital. Talk less of Nigerian doctor. Buhari go do checkup. You don't come back. See as a fresh finish. Like person where they just bring from oven. Nah. Una dey expect say this kind of people that they go come back, say they renovate, they bring down facilities, See, for all the miracle believers, I beg, I no get an issue with una, but I hope say this thing now, it go this una eye, it go open now. Believe in miracles or before na go talk say na me content, but can una not fit just use una head sometimes. Small thing we just do person they go so they go run the entire church. Hey, deliver me. Hey, this one. Hey, that one. Are that fall sick? How many pastors, how many men of God upon all the great ones we get? How many of them will see say they offer say okay, may we pray, may we fast, or may they just call lay hands? Or how many will see? But the matter they everywhere, so nobody go tell me say they no hear am. This or that Jesus, I tell you before say they don't turn to serious self. So anybody will tell me say, I'm not aware of this thing. No, you are a bloody liar. You are a bloody liar. Everybody is aware. Even this same Odumeje, you when you come outside, sharp mouth finish. This man can give up. Hey, and I don't say Odumeje when he wants to show himself. I can heal. I can do this. He go come outside. They disturb our ear. Even you. You say you forgive this girl. As a sign of forgiveness, how come you no go this hospital, say they go lay hands on this girl? But you carry 1 million. You wish her good luck. No, now the 1 million one healer. No, I been now saying I ain't cause am. You say it's spiritual. So is it money that will heal spiritual something? Me not think open una eye are they very serious. Make with this una eye shine them. Because now I don't see the way now they go. Any small thing, if you fall sick, you go. See, go to the hospital. If you are sick, no, I know why they talk about. Your pastor of faith, no be your faith. You understand? Your pastor now, you don't take and say, based on your level, if headache, if he cure by himself with prayer, it will not work for you. See, learn to respect yourself. For this life, respect yourself. If you get sickness or you get one disease or anything, please, if you have to go to the hospital, go. Now, so one person even die only in the name of this. He say, I will never take drug. My pastor said I should believe in this thing. I will never take drug. My people, till today, this man, no, they don't die. Everybody, they beg him, say, bro, stay. He say, no. He say he has faith. His pastor have taught him. He is not. If you like, no shine your eye. Me, hey, no concern me. Another problem now where I get now with this girl family members. Her family members now the next problem where me I get like this. So now this una notice say this girl get kidney wahala. So no make we calculate am. Since the time where the Rita and Odumeje do that video. Days, and if I know even the mistake, say week even pass. You know how much una for raise during that 1 week instead of wasting una time. So una they go do major, una they go ask for forgive. Instead of make you look for people who go donate, announcer, and my people know we know ourselves. People for ready, people don't ready safe. They for help this girl, send am abroad, go do. I no just understand. Una waste all the whole time wey una get. They go ask human being for abeg, no get me wrong. If you offend human being, you need to ask. But the way they carry this odumeje, let's say na one God. Let's say without odumeje's forgiveness, this girl no, I no just understand. By now, this girl for dey abroad. They pass all those things where they sabi pass inside body. By now, we for don't they hear good news, say okay, oh, you don't recover or something. Now, odumeje, superstition I will kill now. Superstition. Any small thing they do now, don't carry a person. Hey, spiritual. Hey, this one, oh. Not be everything require spiritual. Some things are medical. You need to go physical. Leave spiritual alone. Even when they don't pursue you now, go they blame on village people. You say this one is spiritual. You say now why many people they die today? Pay attention to your body. Okay, oh, and I know even understand. Wait, oh, how come none of the family members even think of giving a kidney, like donating one of their kidney or something? Because if that one spoil, as a mother, especially the mother, now you even supposed to be ready to do anything for your daughter. How come you not think that one? You just come outside, do video. Please send us account number. Let us return the 1 million. Even the 1 million now, assuming you use that self travel, send this girl outside. We for know what you they talk about. But no, you just come outside. I don't know who they try impress. Say you don't want the 1 million. This one, this. No problem. Me, I no go talk plenty. I don't tell na the one where I think Buhari. I hope say they hear this one because you, in fact, they repeat and you are responsible for all these things we don't happen for these people family. You are responsible, and not just these ones. All the ones we don't die in the past. I pray say nobody die again, sha. Now you they at fault. So yes, I talk am. My people. Now be this because I don't hear left right, so I say I go drop this one now. So I beg the comment start the roll and share this video. Make everybody know what till they happen. Subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you not go miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.